Today we are making a vegan dish, delicious potato tomato curry. To make the potato curry, we are going to use 3 potatoes. It's already boiled and peeled. It's cooked. 3 tomatoes chopped. 1 large onion thinly sliced. 4 cloves of garlic thinly sliced. 1 piece of ginger cut into small pieces. Oil to cook. And the spices that we are going to use are 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili pepper, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. The recipe for garam masala is available in the description box. 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, some curry leaves. You can also use cilantro instead of curry leaves. First we can heat the pan and put about 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot, we can add the onion. We can add the ginger and the garlic too and saute them together. The onion has started turning light brown. We can add the tomatoes. Saute the tomatoes until it becomes a paste. Now the tomatoes have turned into a smooth paste. We can add all the spices now. Turmeric powder, chili powder, and the coriander powder. We will add the garam masala only towards the end. We can mix the spices together. The moisture in the tomatoes will prevent the spices from burning. We can lower the flame now and add the potatoes. You can either cut them or you can roughly mash them. We can mix the potatoes and the tomatoes together. Mix them well. We can add half cup of water too. And let it boil together for about 2 minutes. The curry is boiling now. We can turn the flame off. You can check for salt, and now we can add the chopped curry leaves and the garam masala. So we are adding the garam masala only after turning off the flame to retain the flavor. So now we can mix the garam masala with the curry. The potato and tomato curry is ready. We can transfer this into a serving dish. This potato and tomato curry can be served with chapati or rice as a side dish.